all the high tier science gadgets collected. Now it's time to get some parts to make the transposition of the explosives a little less dangerous. There is also an auto aiming scope that we could fetch and attach to your laser gun, which could come in handy if the drones get too intense. Hey mainframe, will you load up the next mission? Will do, Tier 1. The plan is to construct several guided missiles that will house the quantum vortex bombs, attach them to the rover, destroy the black hole generator, and then swiftly depart. Okay, what do we need? Wait, what? I thought it was someone else for a second. Still think it's kind of weird, don't take fall damage, but I like it. I like that very much. Oh, it's up there. Damn it. I suppose this time I can't just, disconnect those two and then just drag it with me or something. Wait. What's on it? No, I can't. Luckily, I could probably just take a truck that runs over this bridge and collects that one. Most of this video is just gonna be me with one eye working. But my aim ain't terrible. It ain't terrible. I still have no clue why I'm every single time just taking this thing. Feels like I'm dreaming because I can't really see too much. Mostly just kind of blind or something. It actually feels like I'm dreaming right now because I can't see that well. Wow! So whenever I'm dreaming I'm actually doing it, but I just have one eye open and the other one's closed. Okay, that didn't help at all. Now I'm gonna have to redo all that because I didn't quick save one fucking time. This could actually work. Funny enough, this might just work. Put you right there. check where are we going actually. We're going down there, okay. This is an auto-aiming scope. I am excited to see what the fuck that thing can do. Then after that we just need to get the fuck up here in some way fast. Look at this. Okay, actually don't look at this. Move that shit. Okay, good. So take that there. Run over here. Run up there. Take that one. Take this truck all the way to there. Take that and run all the way back up here. Okay, let's try that. And see how well it goes. I was about to test, but that wouldn't be good because then it had to walk all the way again. Okay, it doesn't work, but I'm still just gonna restart. Or not restart, but quick load. Go. We don't have time for this shit. We need something that could go faster because we have no time to get up there. Absolutely no time. Yeah, we can't do this. We need something that's faster. 2, 1, go. No, we can't make it. Can't make it. Why don't we just use the foam gun? If this doesn't work, I have an idea. That's better. That's way better. No! Fuck! I was this close. This close. And you can't see what this is, but that's like 3 centimeters close. Black spike! No! Why does it fly off so easily? It's up to 2 minutes or something. I can't do this in 1. I'll have to put up this fucking speed of this because I'm not doing this. It's time. I just need the time. Fucking time. Graphics, I don't need graphics, I just need time. Working set time. Score, I don't give. I'm not gonna reset that fucking progress. Fuck you. Don't think about the time. Don't think about the time. Just think I'm running. You will make it. 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 Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Ah! 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 Oh. Yes. Yes. I kiss you, but you're so fucking annoying that I wouldn't do. Wait, what happened so for just? Hey, T1, come here. Come here. I have some anti-gravity ideas. It's a great idea, okay? Yeah, so we throw you up there, and then you just go up there. Okay? If that breaks, you'll die. If it don't break, then you'll float into space. Goodbye. I fitted the auto-aiming scope to your laser gun. Ooh. Why don't you give it a try on the new mission? Hey mainframe, load up the next step. Locate the SCCL. The detour is required before we can strike the black hole generator. There is a space station in orbit. The glasses, yeah. Which beams energy to the facility to keep the black hole stable on the to keep this black hole stable on the SCCL, on the seal is where we can find superfluid helium for the bomb. But to get there we need to locate the seal, whatever. Yeah, we need to locate the seal. Download the coordinates by hacking the terminals at the recycling plant. Drones are patrolling. Okay, but if there's nothing else than drones, then I can do it. I thought the drones was the worst thing, but no. That's not the worst thing. That other fucking mission was the worst thing. Yeah, I don't care really. Wait, what can this thing take down? Okay. Wait, I can take them down? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can actually take down the drones. I didn't know that. Wait, alarm. Why the alarm? No! Fuck! This is probably the worst mission I've ever been on. Okay, so you have to be aware of the alarm drones. The guard drones. Yeah, yeah. Then you need to be aware of the fire. And then also the wide up. Excuse me, what? Yeah, you need to be aware of the wide up. So there's alarm drones that I can shoot down, yeah. There's these motherfuckers, and then there's... Okay, so a new one will always be there. Let me just check. Will there always be... Okay, so a new one will always spawn. Okay. Well, now I hate it. Do you mean this? Thank God. They did it. Doesn't seem like it. Okay, so they will shoot me. It's actually quite fun. Maybe stressful. It's just kind of casual. You just don't have to get shot. But honestly, I don't really get hit. I don't know if I'm supposed to take damage or something, but for some reason I'm not taking any damage. Come on, little motherfucker. See you later, motherfucker. Woo! Still think I'm right there. That was actually quite fun. That was probably one of the chillest, stressful looking missions, casual missions I've ever seen. Tier 1 energy board. I've never seen this place from above. Looks actually quite cool. Does it still say the same shit? Neil, yeah. Neil is on everything. I don't know if I'm Neil. Probably am though. It says I'm on everything. Hey, little Roomba. clean the outside for me, please. Okay, that's. I feel that's evil. I feel that's evil. That's better. That's it. We got the exact location. Take the shuttle. Oh yeah, we're finally gonna take the shuttle. Fuck yeah. To the destination. Hey mainframe, will you load up the coordinates and the mission brief in the shuttle and make us ready for liftoff? Of course, Tier 1. Transferring to shuttle shutdown. Okay, great. We're still so much that whenever whoever returns. Yeah, finally. And for liftoff. Ready for liftoff, sorry. Coordinates and mission brief received via UDP. All systems clear and we're ready for takeoff. Travel to space! Space! Woo! Yay! Oh, animation! That's so goofy. Why does it look so goofy? Not even the legs are coming in. It's just like, now we're off and we're in space. Ooh, you're right. You're gonna be staying right there. Okay, close that up. Okay, 0G. Oh dear, it's been quite some time since. Quite some time since. Stops. Well, now we're dead. What is it? I have a funny idea. I have a great idea. Quite some time since I was in zero gravity. It takes a while to get used to. I just threw him outside. Tier 1, how far away are you? Oh, no. You know what? Tier 1, that was your fault. Fuck you. That was a weird effect. Hey mainframe, can you give us the first mission brief? Coming up, Tier 1. Mission briefing. Disrupt the internal communication at the seal to prevent EFO Corp from being altered. Warning: the area around the seal experiences high levels of cosmic radiation. Oh fuck! It is advisable to remain indoors as much as possible to prevent any harm to organic tissue. Okay. Send receive respect to the transfer. Okay, yeah. Oh! Damn! Okay. Okay, now we can finally figure out what that means. If I didn't figure it out last time. Subspace collapse, whatever that means. Laser. The seal. I know there's no E in there, but it just sounds funny to say seal. Is the seal is an orbiting space station which collects cosmic energy and beams it down to the base on the planet to stabilize the black hole generator. Disable the seal, the communication, whatever, at the seal by sending its receiver into space. Okay, whatever that means. I'm doing it. Jesus, I love this. I'm so excited for the next DLC. Oh, yeah. Okay. When floating in zero gravity, you can move up and down via space and control. I already know that. Oh, rotate! You can flip. Oh, I'm gonna get so dizzy from this. When you float in 0G, you can roll to orient yourself. Q and E. Wait, can I? Oh, Oh! 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 Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down. Oh my god, I'm gonna get so dizzy from this. Oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing here? I guess that's the... Okay. Oh! Oh, my head is spinning. Oh my god, this is gonna get so terrible. So fucking terrible. Oh my god, there's gonna be so many maps! Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh yeah, I can walk on walls. This is fun. This is fun, but I'm gonna get so dizzy. I should probably say, like, yeah, there's gonna be some zero-G bullshit in this one. Be aware. Okay, I'm gonna check this place out. This is fun. Okay, where's it? What the f... Okay. There's a giant grinder here. Don't step in that. Okay, can't read any of these things. Okay, I suppose these are just generators for the real kind. Ooh. Hey. Was I supposed to? I'm gonna restart real quick. Wait a second. I got the thing, but I also gonna destroy the thing that would keep everything stable. Okay, tier 1, you stay right there. Oh, my orientation is fucked. So fucking fucked. Okay, I've been in there. What's down here? Where's the control panel? Okay, okay. This is actually awesome. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, what the hell? Oh, we have booster rockets. Oh, my eyes starting to annoy me again. Need some new eye drops. What the hell? Oh! Oh yeah, I forgot. Sorry. Okay, what are we supposed to do? Just disable them? Okay. We just have to send them into outer space. Wait, can I boost myself with this? Okay, so I have a complete 3D 360 view with this. Oh my god, where the fuck am I? Ah, this is so weird. I love this, and now I know why it took so long. This would have taken so fucking long to figure out. I can just do a complete 360 with this shit. Oh, nice. Anyways, I see a push ball up there. Yeah. What the hey? Wait, was that just a hole? Okay, the hallway turned into a fucking hole. Nice. Send them into deep space with these booster rockets. You fucked up from last time. I can see the cosmic radiation. Okay, now that's out of reach. What happens if I just... Okay, so I can't destroy the rings. I'm gonna do that at some point. I'm probably gonna play with this in not so long after I'm done with this, because I have fucking ideas for this place. Oh, man. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, I am super excited. Wait, can I just destroy the space station slowly? What's this? It's the only bathroom on the station. Yeah. Goodbye. Didn't that count for some intro, please? I definitely could. That's gonna be way too strong. That one's getting out of range. That will soon drift away from space. Yeah. So this is the one that's launching the signals. Okay. Now we just need to align ourselves and then stop rotating. So that's the transmitter. Okay, yeah. Okay, I see where I know where to go. This you need to get really used to, and if you're like, what the fuck is this? It's hard it's like a whole hard material. Oh, more boosters. I'm gonna have real fun when this is done. I sound like a crazy person, but that's because this is fucking wild. You can't say this is not cool. After whatever we've had of mods, no one has ever been able to do where you can rotate yourself in space. What the hell's happening? Am I going insane or something happening to this thing? Oh yeah, something's definitely happening to this thing, and it's not good. We need to get the fuck out of here now. Okay, how does this thing work? I have no clue how this orientation's gonna work. Wait, what if I just send myself, like, spinning? Can I spin faster? I definitely can! I think that's as fast as you can go. I think it also slowly slows you down. Okay, we're just gonna spin the other way around because I just think it's so fucking cool! This station I'm coming back to. That was awesome! So now you haven't fucked too much shit up, right? Oh, damn! Damn! This is good. I'm still in space. We're still in space. What are we now doing? Radio silence. Communication is down. Hey mainframe. What's next? Destroy the seal to break the stabilizing connection to the black hole generator. There is a static points of the structure and shit. Yeah. Whatever. I'm going back to this cool fucking thing. I'm going back to seal. Woo! I kind of still need to get used to this because this is weird. Very weird. Okay, what do we need? We need boosters. Okay, so we need to get rid of these. All of these. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, I need to get a hang of this. Because we just need to destroy all of these. Okay. Okay, so all these... Okay, all the rings that will boost the system. Got it, got it. This is gonna be so cool when people start making maps about this again. This is so fucking awesome. I have not been over here actually. What's over here? Workstations and workstations. Okay. You can just see all the parts just floating everywhere. Anyways, out into space we go! Oh, actually, I don't think we're supposed to go out into space. Because if you know the cosmic radiation, whatever the fuck that means. Okay, so we just need to get rid of the... Okay, where's this one? Okay, that's currently down there. Imagine doing this, but with more people. Oh, that would be fucking awesome. This feels weird. Can we just, you know, blow the rest of this up? Oh, this feels weird. This feels so fucking weird. No. I want to blow this entire thing up. Entirely. We just disconnect these entire 2 rings! Wait, what happens if that one goes up there? Does it just shut fuck off or whatever? See, how good does this look? This is great! Oh my goodness. Wait, it's finally gonna hit. It's gonna hit. It just slices? Can you actually get sliced by this thing? This is awesome! Again, you can't look at this and then say, nah, it's not awesome. Because it is. Where's my... Okay, it's on the other side. Okay. Please, kind of just destroy this part. Just kind of... Yeah. I've already destroyed this thing so much. It's quite ridiculous, actually. But honestly, who cares? This is awesome. I'm actually getting boosted by this. Why does it look like it's not destroyed? Oh no, wait, I can still see it. It's still like destroying itself over there. It's still spinning, but it doesn't work. Ah. Oh, damn. What now? The seal is out of order. One step closer to the goal. Hey mainframe, take us back to base. No, I like CRG. I'm sorry, Tier 1. I'm afraid I can't do that. We still have to acquire the super helium. Hey, mainframe, shouldn't we have done that before we destroyed the seal? Excuse. You are correct, Tier 1. Looking at the... whatever that means. Sequence numbers. I think that's a sequence. It seems the UDP packages arrived in the incorrect order. excuse. This is not an error. This is how user data protocol works. They are just having like their little like fight like we fucked up. I like this. Bleep. Fine. I guess a mainframe. Give us the mission brief for the super helium. Absolutely, tier 1. Grab the super helium containers. According to instructions of the seal, events, whatever. We'll figure it out when we get there. Wow. This is really destroyed. Well, it's kind of fun actually. So, now we can blow up some shit. Oh my god! Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, really have to get this going now. There's meteors fucking coming for us! Motherfucker! This is what happens if you break the motherfucking balance, you fucking idiot! Oh my god! This is probably why they say there's a balance and we need to protect that fucking balance. I don't know. But fuck! Goddamn Teardown mainframe, you. Ugh. This is not good. God damn it! It's destroying my mission. Where's the other one? Fuck! I'm gonna take the one that's furthest away because I always know in the space movies it always goes wrong when you take that one as the last. I'm glad I made it out of there. Oh, I get it. They hit the ones that I probably have been into, or I'm just very lucky. This is good lore. I love this lore. Although I'm probably going to twist the ones or whatever I'm gonna do. These are like meteors, or asteroids, not meteors, I think, because they're way too big to be meteors. Can I use this as like? Good. Just as a little bit of speed. Okay, that's this one right over here. No, it's this one down there. Okay. Okay, I see it. Damn it! If that one gets destroyed, I'm gonna lose it. If those two get destroyed, I'm losing it. Let's get the fuck out of here. God damn it, that's a big hole! Ha! Okay, we're back. No, still in space. Can we go home now? Hey, mainframe. We got the super the super fluid helium containers. Can we take us back to base? Okay, now we just need to prepare escape route. Okay. My eyes are killing me. There's that goofy landing again. It's actually not goofy looking now, it just looks... That's pretty awesome. I would love to fly that thing. I would love it. I would absolutely, if it was like controlling myself, I would absolutely love it. Oh.